There are a variety of ways to keep your class updated on the latest news for your course. Although Moodle does have built-in functionalities you can use to communicate with your students, you can use your Gmail to send emails directly to your students based on their course. To do so, log into your Gmail account using your midmich.edu address. The email of each course will be the course designator at midmich.edu. To accurately type this out, go to your course and copy from the subject abbreviation to the year and semester. Note that if you have a combined course of 2 or more sections, this will not work. You'll need to use the individual course designators for each individual section. Go back to Gmail, click Compose, and in the To field, click BCC or Blind Copy. Type or paste the course designator here, followed by @midmich.edu. If you type the first part incorrectly, it should automatically suggest the full address. In the To field, put your email address. Using BCC ensures that when students respond to you, they will not reply to the whole class, clogging up students' inboxes. If you have multiple sections of a course that should also receive your emails, be sure to type out their email addresses in the BCC field as well. After you've added your subject, message, and any necessary attachments, you can hit send or you can schedule it to send at a specific time. After that, your message is sent and you're all set. To send an email to your students within Moodle, you can use the CLAMPMail feature. Navigate to your course page, find the CLAMPMail block on the side, and click Compose New Email. Next, we can choose which students receive the email. If emailing your entire course, simply click the Add All button. You can add or remove individual students by clicking their name and then clicking the corresponding buttons. Scroll down to compose the email itself. You can drag and drop any attachments you need to send to your students. Below that, add a subject and then compose your message. When finished, click the Send Email button. Lastly, you can use the announcements forum that is automatically created for each course. However, do note that students may not receive emails or Moodle notifications depending on their settings. If you do not plan to use the announcements forum, please hide it from students to reduce clutter.